What is going on today, guys? Welcome back, and today we are working on the BRZ, and we're going to be installing something that everyone needs if they have a BRZ FRS 86. What is that? Version 2 hood shocks. But before we get into that, you're going to want to go and click subscribe and hit that bell. Why? Because we're going to be doing something to help you guys out, especially during this holiday season. Near the end of the video, I'm not going to tell you guys when, but at some point near the end of the video, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to give you guys a discount code along with some information on how to use that discount code. Also, we're going to be working on some giveaways. Make sure you hit the subscribe, ring the bell. We're going to be doing this on multiple videos in the future, so you're going to want to pay attention to the videos to get the discount codes. All right, let's get into the hood shocks. So some of you may ask, why are they so convenient? They're just hood shocks. The new version is 10% stronger. And let's say you're at a car show or you're outside, you're working on your car, and it starts to get windy, and you have your hood on the hood prop. Well, as you may well know, the hood is pretty light, and especially once it's up, if a gust of wind gets it, it's gonna push it back into your windshield. You don't want that. You could end up denting your hood, you could damage your windshield. There's a bunch of other circumstances to where you could just hit your hood prop, the hood could fall. Also, for you guys that are boosted, your turbo sits up front, and a lot of you understand when you go to grab your hood prop to pull it up, it's boiling hot. You could actually really burn yourself. So this takes that out of the equation. So it is very convenient to have these hood props. They're very easy to install. As you'll see, it only takes 10 to 15 minutes. It only takes a couple different tools. There's no drilling, there's no extra bolts. It uses factory bolts and factory location. It also comes with a 2-year, 24-month warranty. So if you guys have any problems with them, send us over an email. We'll get it taken care of. So let's go ahead and get them put on. So the only tools you're gonna need, a 12 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, an extension, and a ratchet. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, go ahead and crack this top one loose and crack this lower one right here loose. I'll take the upper one off. All right, so first one we're gonna do is this little nub is gonna face out. And we're gonna go ahead and just finger tighten it in there just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and just get this snug. You're gonna want this to be lined up properly so there's an even gap. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our 10 millimeter and loosen that. Now this one, the nub faces into the engine bay, and there's a little plastic here. We're going to get it just underneath that enough, and then we're not going to get this super tight, and then we're going to go ahead and finger tighten this guy in, and personally I like this to be pretty much even in the middle, and so that's going to be parallel with the fender there. And we're just gonna snug it. We're not gonna get it crazy tight. And same with this, we're gonna just go ahead and make sure it's nice and snug. Then if you notice, this already has the clips in it. Same with this side. So this side goes on the bottom. Put the upper one on, and we go ahead and set this up. Get that in the right spot and pop it in. And it will technically hold up on just one hood shock, so we can do the other side. And if you notice, this gives you another inch or so more. This can also be adjusted so it can go higher if you need. It's all personal preference. So this is how we like to set ours up. All right, and this side is the same. So I'm just gonna do this really quick for you guys so you don't have to sit through that. Okay. At the beginning of the video, we talked about a discount code. Let me give you some more information. First off, there's only 10 codes available from this video, and they're available on the hood shocks. We're gonna be doing this on a bunch of different videos in the future, so you gotta subscribe and click the bell because you gotta know when the video comes out so you can get on this as soon as possible. Sometimes we may only have 5, we may only have 1, depending on what it is. We're gonna have a limited supply on each video, and we're doing this to help you guys out. We're gonna also have giveaways and so on. Leave a comment down below if there's a specific product you guys want a discount on, something that you guys wanna see in a future video on just how to install or more information about that product. So the code is V2SHOX, all capital letters, V2SHOX. There's a link in the description below directly to the shocks, so you can add them to your cart, and they are currently discounted already, so you're getting that discount on top for being a YouTube subscriber and watching this video. Now, if the code doesn't work anymore, I'm sorry, it's very limited. Obviously, there's only 10, but they are still available. We have a great price on our website. Like I said, subscribe, click the bell, and leave a comment. Let us know what else you want to see in the future. So let's get back into the video. So some of you guys know you can actually go ahead and remove this. So you can go ahead and remove this, and you can just put this away. You don't need this anymore because you have hood shocks. So there's no reason to have the hood prop on your car. Weight savings. All you have to do is lift up and then lean this forward and pull it right out. So it just has this little hook in there. Go ahead and push it in, twist it forward towards the engine bay, and then you can go ahead and clip it back in. Simple as that. All right, and you can just go ahead and close the hood and open the hood. Pretty sweet. You can actually have the hood just slightly propped, so if you're at like a little meetup or a car show or something like that, you can just have your hood just a quarter of the way open. You could even have it about halfway and then all the way. And then with closing this, since you don't have as much weight now because it's on there, you can just go ahead and push it on down. She latches right into place. All right, super simple, right? Go ahead and leave us some comments down below, or go ahead and check out our website at speedindustry.com. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you hit subscribe, give us a like, and don't forget, we are doing giveaways really soon. So that's it on this episode. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Peace.